Okay, here's what I got. So a switched motor. It's another NEMA 14 motor running off of what is that? 5 volts ish. Um, Same controller boards. These are from Adafruit. It's a Trinket. This is the actual stepper controller. This represents what will be the optical horseshoe switch. And this is right now, speed and direction control. And this is the trigger from which will be the output from the fast controller. So, turn on power, the motor. It's going to go through a slight boot sequence. Motor is looking for home. Finds home. Right, and it'll hold as long as it's on the home position. Now, the output pushes and it tells it to go, and it would be passing the home position every time it goes around. So now if you disable the output from the fast controller, and it hits home, it stops at the same position every time.